Hello guys, welcome to CoderCraft. So today we are going to discuss about the arrow functions in JavaScript Funda. So let's get started. So what I'll do first is I'll just write a simple general function, then I'll convert it to arrow functions, and I can show how much line of code we can get rid of the main function, and we can write a very smaller set of code which will be which will give the same result as a normal function gives. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so I'll just create a function. This doesn't have a name, so this function is what it is doing. It is returning some value. Return some value, which is I am testing arrow. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just assign this function to a variable. Let some variable equals to this. Then I'll just console log this dot log of this variable and a function. Okay, if I'll save it, I am testing arrow clean. Okay, so now first stage, let's what I'll do is now I'll just comment it. Okay, before that I'll just copy it. I want to write again and again. Yeah, so I'll just copy it. What I'll do is I'll just write a simple statement saying that first stage. Okay, so let's say first what we can get rid of. Okay, so this function looks function keyword, right? We can get rid of this. So let's take it out. Okay, once I take out, I see the error, right? What I'll do is I'll just put an arrow. That's all. Okay, I'm testing arrow, right? So if you want to see that stage one, I'll just put a one here. Okay, so this is clean. We just got rid of some one keyword, but it's not much because we have this we introduced this arrow, right? So let's make it more simpler. I'll just copy it again. I'll just put it here and I'll comment it. Okay, so let's come to this one. So as you can see, I have a very simple statement here, one single statement. So I feel I don't need this, right? So what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this. Okay, so do you have an error? Yes, it is undefined. So what I'll do is I'll just take this out and I'll take this out. Sorry, I didn't delete it. Okay, I'll just take it out and save it. Right? It's pretty simple. It is just a single line, right? So this is so here we got rid of two things, right? Here we got rid of the return keyword and the parenthesis. So let's say I have one variable which I want to print here, right? So what I'll do is I'll just comment it again and I'll get this line of code to here and I'll just have a value, let's say, and I'll call this with something new text. Okay, now this value I want to append here. Okay, you can see new text is coming. So you can see this is a new thing. We can put parameters. Okay, we can put parameters easily. Okay, and we can write it. Okay, so one more thing, if you want it is still having some more extra things. Yeah, let's see, there's some extra thing it is there that we can see. So here what we'll do is we'll get rid of the parenthesis. Okay, sorry, here we got rid of the curly brace. Okay, so here we got rid of the parenthesis. Okay, this is the curly brace and this is the parenthesis. Okay, so we got rid of this, we will get rid of this parenthesis. Is it okay? Let's see. Yes, it's absolutely fine. Okay, so now this is what what we can get from this arrow functions. So if we have some bigger function, so I suggest, if you have a bigger function, let's not write in a single line som equals to, let's say you have something like three parameters, val1, val2, and val3, and you have some more statements like you are calculating something or you are having some work here. So what you need to do is you need to return some val, let's say let val res equals to val1 plus val2 plus val3. Then you need to return a statement saying return uh, result colon val res. Okay, now you want to print it here, so you have, let's say, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so if I'll do this, so sorry, we have missed the arrow functions arrow itself, so that's a blunder. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have 6 here. So if we want, this kind of big function, and if you want to, I mean, you can have multiple function. If you want to get rid of this parenthesis, you won't, it will not allow you. See. Okay, so that's why you should have the parenthesis here. And if you want to get rid of this, see, it's a multi-statement, right? So even if I'll delete this, you will have a lot of issues, so shouldn't. Okay, so you should write in this way. So I prefer this is the way. So let's do this way. Okay, so that's all, guys. I mean, you can use the arrow function and remove your older approach, and that's cool. Yeah, thank you.